So to me, it is important that we, as the manufacturer of this good tasting chocolate, the leading global chocolate and cocoa producers in the world, that we are here to be present, to meet our business partners, to meet with our customers.
Sabah being one of the fastest growing tourism in Malaysia, that excites us to join FHM Borneo Edition and to give much more exposure to the tourism industry in Sabah. Our goal here is to level up the tourism industry here in Sabah.
FHM this time it's really helped us. So it's helped us to find the equipment what we need to supply in our daily operation in hotel.
Actually, I heard about FHM, which they are more concentrated on Peninsular Malaysia. This is the first time that I know that the showcase in Borneo is also something that gives the Sabahan opportunity to showcase our local product here, just like our flour base in Sabah.